How to change e-transfer limit on Scotiabank. So if you want to change the e-transfer limitation on Scotiabank, so in order to do that, first you need to open up or log into your online bank account on Scotiabank. After you've logged into your account, you'll be taken to the home page. Once you're on the home page, you'll need to click on the gear icon located in the upper right hand side corner of your screen. After clicking on the gear icon, you'll be directed to the info page, and right on this page you'll be able to see multiple options from the list. You need to click on interact e-transfer, and as soon as you click on the interact e-transfer, it will be taken to the info page, and right at the bottom you'll be able to find multiple options. In order to change the limitation, you'll be able to see variety of ranges, so you can go through it, and the maximum range to change your limitation is 25,000. However, you'll be able to decrease the limitations as well, so you can go through all of the steps and change it accordingly. So this is the procedure. So this might vary in different countries, or the rest. This kind of feature might not be available in your country of your resident. However, you can do it as if you're not able to see the option. You can simply contact your uh, customer service team and read about the issue. You'll need to provide a brief description regarding the issue, and you'll be able to change the limitation on Interact e-transfer. So that's basically how you can change your e-transfer limitation on Scotiabank. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.